This conference will now be recorded.
This is day 2, and yesterday class we discussed about very basic concepts. Very basic concepts we discuss in yesterday class, such as what is software testing and what are the ways of testing, and as a testing engineer, how the market is there. This kind of very basic things we learn in yesterday class. Today, let's discuss the next topic. So before start the class, if you miss yesterday introduction class, no worry. Once you can contact to management, they can help you for day 1 recording from the YouTube. Okay. Okay, fine. Now let's start the day 2 class. Before start the class, guys, I'm expecting everyone you able to see my screen and it's audible. Please give me the confirmation message in chat box. Everyone has the chat option, only the chat. Don't try to unmute, don't talk. Okay, just give me message in chat box whether audible and are you able to see my screen. Very good. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about, first of all, software testing two ways. I hope you remember that in yesterday class. First of all, what is software testing? We discuss. Let me write. It's a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects and also called as bugs. It's a definition of software testing. By the recording you learn. So everyone, what is software testing? Yesterday, I mean, by the diagram you understood everything. What is software testing? It's a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects and also called as bugs. Software testing two ways. One is manual testing and second one is automation testing. Everyone, software testing two ways. One is manual testing and second one is automation testing. What is manual testing? What is automation testing? Very simple, guys. What is manual testing? What is automation testing? Once again, software testing two ways. One is manual, second one is automation. Let me show on paint application, guys, what is manual testing and what is automation testing. Okay, both are testing engineer required. If it is a manual testing, also testing engineer required. If it is automation testing, also testing engineer required. But what is the difference? I'll show you, guys. What is the difference? I'll show you. See, first of all, manual testing, testing engineer, testing application without any help. 1 minute, I'll draw that on my screen. Everyone, the diagram purpose only, I hope you're able to understand that. That's what I'm trying to write something for you. Okay, just look at my screen. The difference you have to understand. So once again, software testing two ways. One is a manual testing. One is manual testing. Second one is automation testing. Manual testing also here, testing engineer required. Automation also here, testing engineer required. So both are, they will test application. They will test application. But the difference I'll show on my screen. In manual testing, no need any help, only by the human interactions. Only by the human interactions. Automation testing in middle of testing engineer and application, they can use some of the tools and softwares. Everyone, some of the what tools and softwares. Once again, guys, try to understand here tools and softwares. Everyone, here let me write it is a manual testing and it is a automation testing. Manual testing and as well as what? Automation testing. Everyone, software testing how many ways? Two ways. One is what? Manual testing. Second one is automation testing. So what is manual testing? What is automation testing? Try to understand this diagram. It's a process to test application without any help, only by the human interactions, nothing but call as manual testing. Everyone, it's a process to testing an application without any help, only by the human interactions, nothing but call as manual testing. What is automation testing? It's a process to testing an application by the help of how many by the help of tools and softwares, nothing but call as tools and softwares. Everyone, once again, software testing two ways. One is a manual testing and second one is automation testing. Let me write here. Everyone, let me write what is manual testing. Let me write the definition. It's a process of testing an application by human interactions, nothing but call as manual testing. What is automation testing? Everyone, what is automation testing? It's a process of testing an application, but by help of tools and by help of what? Tools and software, nothing but call as automation testing. Everyone, software testing how many ways? Two ways. One is what? Manual testing. Second one is what? Automation testing. Simply without any help, testing an application by human interactions are called manual testing. Testing an application by the help of tools and softwares are called automation testing. Okay, then I have one doubt. Sir, you said two ways, manual and automation. Okay, but how to decide whether is it manual project or whether is it automation project? How to decide this kind of things? This is my question. How to decide? Very simple. For example, guys, today I want to go to temple. Today I want to go to temple. From my home to temple, just 1 kilometer or 100 meters, something else, 500 meters or 1 kilometer. Then definitely by walk we can go, right? Without any help, by walk we can go, which is called as manual testing. Manual. Next, I want to go to temple. I want to go to temple, but from my home to temple, it's almost 5 kilometers or 10 kilometers. Then by using the car, by using the bike, by using the metro, by using the something, then if I go to temple, which is called as what? Automation, because I'm using something tools. Understand my point? Everyone, very simple. Testing an application by human interactions are called manual testing. Testing an application by the help of tools and softwares are called automation testing. But every testing engineer, it should be starts with manual. Then only we can go to automation testing. Once again, everyone, every project should be starts with manual. Once it is done, then we can go to automation testing. Then we can go to what? Automation testing. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Okay, so every testing engineer our testing should be starts with first of all manually. Then we can go to by using automation tools and softwares. Yes, by using automation tools and softwares. So guys, in our class also same, first 25 to 30 days we can learn manual testing, 100% free course. Once it is done, then we can go to automation testing. Okay, fine. Now first of all guys, but live project I will explain on the both. In manual testing we can learn live project, automation testing also we can learn live project. So I'll give you the project access directly from your home. What are the laptops you're using, I'll give you access. You can open those live project from your side. You can start working on that. You can start practice on that. Okay, fine. Now let's enter into the main subject. First of all, if you want to become a software engineer, either developer, tester, whatever it may be, you should have knowledge on SDLC. SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. Everyone, SDLC stands for what? Software Development Life Cycle. Either small size company or big size company, any type of company, to develop the application, they have to follow from day one to up to before deliver to the customer. They have to follow step by step activities. All activities nothing but call as software development life cycle. Everyone, once again, what is SDLC? Software development life cycle. Every IT company, to develop the application, we have to follow step by step activities. The step by step activities nothing but call as SDLC. I hope you understood guys up to here. So if you want to become a software engineer, first of all SDLC we have to know that. Yes, SDLC we have to know that. So 1 minute guys, 1 minute please. Okay, so let me show guys SDLC. Everyone, let me show that SDLC, very important topic. Once again, you know SDLC, if you search anywhere, or if you maybe learn in your BTech or MCA, maybe you learn very main the modules, right? But here I'll explain in the real time how it will be implement. Yes, from real time how the application will be developed, I will explain in my class. Everyone, just look at on my screen. First of all, SDLC starts from software bidding. Software bidding. At this phase, our company CEO go to client side and confirm the project. Once again, guys, SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. It starts with software bidding. Here, our company CEO go to client side. Company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement. Everyone, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Software company and corresponding client. Software company and corresponding client. Yes, once again, guys, SDLC starts with software bidding. SDLC starts with what? Software bidding. So every software bidding means nothing but our company CEO. Let me show one small image for your understanding. See guys, our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Next, kickoff meeting. Next phase, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by CEO. Everyone, this meeting will be conducting by CEO to select project manager. Once again, guys, once once software bidding is completed, to implement the application, we need development team, we need testing team, we need various teams. But to handle all those teams, we need one project manager who can handle entire the development life cycle. The person nothing but call as project manager. Without project manager, we can't work on the project, we can't implement on the project. Got it my point? Everyone, once again, software bidding, CEO will go to client side, confirm the project. Next, CEO will go to client side, confirm the project. Next, guys, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select project manager. To select what? Project manager. How? Based on past experience and based on who are availability for next project. Depending on that, this meeting will be conducting by CEO. The meeting nothing but call as kickoff meeting. Oh, 1 minute, guys. Okay, this meeting will be conducting by CEO. Next, the third phase, project initiation note. Project initiation note, nothing but it's information note which is prepared by project manager. For example, let me take one small example. I got selected as a project manager. Then if I got selected as a project manager, I have to prepare the project overview. I mean, it's kind of description. Who is the client? What is the project? What is the domain? How many team members are required? And how many days we have to work? This kind of information note which is prepared by project manager. So it's not requirement. Just a information of current project. The client information and the project information, what is the duration, how many team members are required, just information which is prepared by project manager. The document nothing but call as project initiation note. Project initiation note. Once again, guys, software bidding, CEO will go to client side, confirm the project. Kickoff meeting, this meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select project manager. Third one, project initiation note, which is prepared by project manager. It's kind of information note. Now, the main phase, requirement gathering. The main phase what? Requirement gathering. First of all, what is meaning of requirement? Today, example, just imagination. I want to purchase one mobile. So I'm going to mobile showroom. I'm asking, just I want to purchase one mobile. Just this is my requirement. If you explain, then then we can. I mean, they will show some of the samples, right? I mean, what is normally to purchase our mobile? What is the requirements normally, such as budget something or 50,000, 1 lakh or something, and brand Samsung, MI or iPhone or something else, and what are the features, so and so camera feature, something, all are called as what? Requirement. Got it my point? To purchase anything, definitely customer need to explain requirement. One more example, I want to purchase the car. Definitely as a human we have the requirements, right? budget brand Budget, brand or something, definitely we have the requirement, right? So as a first of all, to develop the application, To develop the application, we need requirements from the customer. Requirements from the customer. So normally what type of requirements in IT industry? What is the first page? What is the second page? And how many functionalities are required? Something. So requirements means nothing but customer needs. Requirements means nothing but customer needs. Everyone, requirement gathering. Who will collect the requirement? Business analyst and system analyst. Those people also called as domain experts. Those people also called as what? Domain experts. Everyone, business analyst and also called as, business analyst and system analyst. Once again, guys, requirement gathering. Who will collect the requirements from the client? Domain expert and also called as business analyst and system analyst. Then I have one doubt. My doubt is, I have one doubt. Already CEO is there. Already project manager is there. Why business analyst? One small example. Same if you want to purchase the mobile, if you want to purchase the mobile, if you are going to the mobile shop, then everyone, if you want to purchase the mobile, if you go into the mobile shop, then who will come directly? CEO will come? No. Showroom manager will come? No. In between you and product, salesperson will be there, because he is expect to explain the requirements to you. He is expect to interact with you. He is expect to collecting requirements from the you. That's what, everyone. So same like that in IT company, who can interact with from the client, who can collect requirements from the customer, the person nothing but call as business analyst and also called as system analyst. Once requirements collected from the customer, those requirements prepared as a two types of documents such as BRS and SRS. Everyone, once again, business analyst will go to client side, collecting requirements from the customer. Those requirements prepared as a two types of documents such as BRS, business requirement specification document, system requirement specification document. Business requirement specification document and system requirement specification document. So without requirement, any team, they're not able to work on the project. They're not able to work on the project. Once again, guys, requirement gathering. Business analyst will go to client side, collecting requirements from the customer. Those requirements prepared as a two types of documents such as BRS and SRS. After BRS and SRS, next, project plan. Project plan. Let me write project plan, which is prepared by project manager. Everyone. So project plan, which is prepared by project manager. Yes, project plan, which is prepared by project manager. First of all, what is meaning of plan? You know, guys, here in this phase, they will confirm what is the team size. They'll confirm how many developers. They'll confirm how many testing engineers. They'll confirm how many, what type of testing we have to perform, and developer, what type of technology they have to use. Everything will becomes into project plan, which is prepared by project manager. Everyone, once again, guys, the plan will be prepared by project manager. Once requirements are collected from the business analyst and system analyst, plan will be prepared by project manager. It contains development plan, testing plan, networking plan, hardware plan, enter the plan here. Based on the requirements and plan, everyone, based on the requirements and plan, you know one thing, once requirements are ready, first of all, they will analyzing requirements. Nothing but understanding requirement. What is that? Understand requirement. So analyzing requirement. After that, plan prepared by project manager. After the plan, next design done by architect team and also called as technical team. Architect team and also called as what? Technical team. Once again, guys, project plan will be prepared by project manager. Project plan will be prepared by project manager. So based on the requirements, based on the plan, design done by architect team or technical team, they will design two types of documents such as high level design and low level design. Everyone, such as what to what? High level design and as well as low level design. So without design, definitely developer they're not able to develop the application. Once again, guys, everyone, design done by architect team and also called as technical team. They will design the project as two types of documents such as HLD, nothing but high level design, LLD, nothing but low level design, HLD and LLD. You know one thing, first of all, this is it important design? 100% this designing is very, very important. 100% designing is very, very important. One small example, one building construction is going on, everyone. One building construction is going on. While construction the building, before start construction, first of all, we need one plan document. We need design document. Design documents means nothing but what? How many flats, every flat, how many bedrooms, every bedroom, where is a window, where is a shelf, and everything, nothing but comes into everyone, nothing but comes into designing part. Without design, construction people, they're not able to start construction. Same in IT industry. In IT industry, in IT industry, like every IT in IT industry, to develop the application, every software engineer they have to understand design, which is done by architect and also called as technical team. Here, two types of design documents such as high level design and low level design. High level design means nothing but main modules, main module, and every module sub functionalities, nothing but comes into low level design. For example, guys, let me take Gmail example. Let me take Gmail. In Gmail, first page login page, next page inbox page, next page compose mail, next page sent mail, everything comes into high level design. Everything comes into what? High level design. And every page, for example, login page, email ID, password, and login button, and right side logo, left side text, everything comes into what? Low level design. Got it my point up to here, everyone? So design done by high level design and low level design. After design, the next part, coding. Coding done by programmer. We are also called as developer. We are also called as what? Developer. Programmer also how? Based on requirement, based on the plan, based on design, programmer they can start writing the coding. Coding done by programmer, everyone. Coding done by programmer. Once again, guys, first of all, everyone, once again, software bidding, CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Kick off meeting, this meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager, and project initiation note which is prepared by project manager. Next, requirement gathering. Business analyst and system analyst, they will collect requirements from the customer, prepare two types of documents such as BRS and SRS. After analyzing requirements, nothing but understanding requirement. Next, project plan which is prepared by project manager. Design done by architect team and also called as technical team. Next, high level design and low level design. After that, coding done by programmer. Coding done by programmer. You know, without design, without plan, without design plan requirement, definitely programmer, they're not able to write the code. Programmer, they're not able to write the code. Okay, everyone, you know code very well. Programmer, they will use different technology such as Java, Python, C sharp, something. By using different technology, programmers start writing the code. Am I right, my point? After coding, what is the next phase? Give me your answer in chat box. My question is, after coding, what is the next phase? Good, good. So I got so many answers as testing. Very good. I agree with your answers. Next, my question, who will perform testing? Yes, after coding, tester, I'll agree. But who will perform testing? No, not testing engineer, not QA team. You know one thing? First, testing is done by programmer, which is called as white box testing. Who will perform white box testing? Programmer, with the help of, collectivity of two levels under the white box, such as unit testing and integration testing. Everyone, don't confuse. I'll explain again. Don't confuse. It's very easy. It's very easy. After completion of coding, testing, that's agree, but not testing engineer. Whenever coding is done by programmer, testing engineer before start the job, first programmer, they will test coding part. That testing nothing but call as white box testing. One small example. For example, you're writing, everyone, you're writing exam and examination hall. Yes, you're writing exam and examination hall. Once exam is completed, answer paper before giving to invigilator. Everyone, once exam is completed, answer paper before giving to invigilator, answer paper before giving to invigilator, same student, they will cross check whether is it correct or not. Am I right, my point? Normally what happened, who written the exam, answer paper before giving to invigilator, same person they will verify. Same like that programmer, once coding is completed, before start testing engineer job, before start QA job, programmer also they will test coding part, which is called as white box testing. So whenever 100% coding and white box testing is completed, then testing engineer job will be start as black box testing, which is performed by testing engineer. Everyone, which is performed by testing engineer. So black box testing collectivity of two levels. Black box testing collectivity of two levels. One is system testing and second one is user acceptance testing. User acceptance testing. Once again, guys, everyone. So white box testing and as well as what? Black box testing. What is the difference? Once coding is completed, programmer testing on coding part is called white box. Testing engineer, nothing but QA, testing on front end application is called black box. So white box testing collectivity of two levels such as unit testing and integration testing. Black box testing collectivity of two levels such as system testing and user acceptance testing. Everyone, look at my screen. Whenever coding is completed, before start testing engineer job, first of all, programmer, they will test coding part call as white box. Now, testing engineer testing on front end application, nothing but call as black box. I will show the practical example, guys. For example, I will show the practical example. Let me open any one of the application. Let's open one application as Mercury Travels. Mercury Travels application. So Mercury Travels application, everyone, Mercury Travels application front end you can see, right? Now I'll open backend code. I'll open backend code. See, right click. I'll open backend code. I'll open backend code. Then if I go to this page, observe guys, this is the backend code. Yes, this is the backend code. Programmer, who will write this code? Programmer. Once it is done, programmer they will prepare the code. Programmer they will test the code, nothing but call as white box. But tester, don't look on this. We have to test on this front end application, nothing but call as what? Black box testing. Understand my point? So testing on front end application is called black box. Testing on backend code is called white box. So as a testing engineer without any coding skills, we can test on front end application, nothing but call as black box. Once again, programmer testing is called white box. Testing engineer testing is called black box. So tester, no need any coding skills. Once all testings are completed, then application released to the customer. Application released to the customer. Yes. So whenever coding and all testings are completed, what is our job? White box, black box. Our job, black box. In black box, as a testing engineer, we can finding defects. You know very well. As a testing engineer, our job finding defects. We can find the defects in black box testing. So whenever all testings are completed, then application we can release to the customer. Everyone, application we can release to the customer. So after release to the customer will start using the application. While using the application, if customer facing any problem, provide support and maintenance. Provide what? Support and maintenance. Once again, guys, whenever all testing activities are completed and after delivered to the customer, if customer facing any problem, then provide support and maintenance to the customer. Everyone, provide support and maintenance to the customer. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Yes, I hope you understood, guys, up to here. So let me write the phase as support. Who will give the support? Maintenance team. Support will provided by maintenance team. So let me explain again. Let me explain again. Everyone, once again, SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. SDLC stands for what? Software Development Life Cycle. I'll explain from starting onwards with the images. Try to understand that. First of all, software bidding. CEO go to client site, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Next, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager. To select the project manager. Third, project initiation note, nothing but information note, which is prepared by project manager. It's just information. Next, requirement gathering. Business analyst and the system analyst will collect requirements from the customer, prepare two types of documents such as BRS and SRS. After, plan will be prepared by project manager. Plan will be prepared by project manager. So here they will confirm project manager, who is a developer lead, how many developers team, what kind of technology they have to implement, testing team, what type of testing, manual testing, automation testing, and everything will be there. Next, design done by architect team and also called as technical team. So they will prepare two types of design documents such as high level design and as well as low level design. Next, everyone are able to hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, thank you. Next, coding is done by programmer by using different technology such as Java, .NET, Python, PHP, Ruby, C#, something else. After the coding, next, testing. White box and black box, like the different types of testing levels are there. So after completion of coding, which is performed by the programmer, is called white box. And after completion of coding and white box, testing engineer testing application is called black box. In black box testing, we can finding defects. As a tester, where we can finding defects? In black box testing, we can finding defects. And after that, application release to the customer. After release to the customer start using the application. If customer facing any problem, then provide support and maintenance. Everyone, then provide support and maintenance. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Yes, I hope you understood, guys. Now I want to ask questions. Just give me reply in chat box. I want to ask questions. Just give me reply in chat box. Okay, everyone. So my question is, software testing two ways, right? What are the two ways? Give me your answer in chat box. Software testing two ways. What are the two ways? I'm expecting answer from everyone. Depending on your answer, I can understand whether you're able to understand or not. So please give me answer in chat box. Yes, very good. manual testing and automation testing. Okay. Next question. Everyone, you have the chat option. Please give me your answer in chat box. Next question. SDLC stands for SDLC stands for SDLC stands for SDLC is very good, very good. Good Ritu, good Sneha, Arti good, Dilip, good. Yes, Pramod. Wow, 80, 94, wow, 95% people they're given the valid answer. Very good. Next question. Everyone, next question. Who will collect requirements from the customer? Who will collect requirements from the customer? Hey, not CEO, not project manager Jitendra. Yes, Soumya, good answer. Yes, Lipika, good. Yes, Rashma. Rashma, not lead Rashma. Shravani, it's not CEO Shravani. Yes, very good, very good. It's a business analyst. Business analyst. Business analyst. Very good. Next question. Business analyst will collect requirements. That's agree. But requirements, they will prepare two types of document. What are the documents? Requirements, they will prepare two types of document. What are the documents? What are the documents? Yes. BRS and SRS. BRS and SRS. BRS and SRS. Very good. Very good. Next question. Next question. After everyone, after plan, design, two types of design documents. What are the names of two types of design documents? What are the names of two types of design documents? Yes, high level design, low level design. Good, very good. Next, everyone, programmer will test application. The testing name nothing but call. Programmer also test application. The testing name is called programmer will test application. The testing name call. Yes, very good. Very good. White box testing. Very good. White box testing. White box testing. Next, testing engineer will test application. As a tester, what is our job? White box or black box? As a testing engineer, what is our job? Very good. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. Yes, black box. Very good, guys. Okay, everyone. Uh, I hope you understood the today topics. Once again, on my screen, what I am writing, please try to understand. So we are learning software testing. Okay, I already explained that it's a manual testing, and the second one is automation testing. So once again, guys, manual testing, it's a it's a 30 days of duration. Everyone, manual testing, it's a 25 to 30 days of duration, and in this duration you can learn manual testing from basic to advanced level. Understand? From basic to advanced level. So it's 100% advanced level. It's 100% free training, guys. Yes, it's 100% free training. But maybe free training, they will teach basics. Don't expect like that. 200% I can challenging you guys after completion of course to keep minimum 2 to 3 years. How much knowledge required more than you can gain from our classes, along with live projects, along with Jira tool, Jira with agile methodologies. So you can learn advanced concepts in manual testing. Understand, guys? So whenever the 25 to 30 days of duration is completed, and one thing, manual testing first 1 week to 10 days, you can learn theoretically. Once it is done, then we can go to live projects. Then we can go to live projects. What are the live projects we can discuss in our class? 200% those projects you can use in your resume to show the experience. Understand my point? So whenever manual testing is done, then we can start automation testing Selenium tool. So here you can learn all our advanced frameworks, advanced concepts you can learn, but Selenium is not free of cost. It's a paid one. It's a paid classes. But before go to these classes, 25 days, you can continue this manual testing classes. So if you are interested that, then you can go to automation testing Selenium. So we will give you 100% job assistance also. Okay, yes, you can get the job assistance, and here you can attend the, I mean, every week you can attend the mock interviews. Yes, on manual testing and as well as automation testing, mock interviews will be there. Yes, manual testing and as well as automation testing, mock interviews, and as well as here you can learn FAQs, and that the resume preparation. Yes, resume preparation and everything, I'll help you recording that. Okay, and don't expect the basic knowledge. And if you want to keep experience, if you have career gap also, guys, I'll help you recording that. Understand my point? But if you want to know free for automation testing, please contact to your management. I mean, you join with on training institute, right? So you can call to them, the who are the admin, you can call them, they will guide you regarding that. Okay, so first let's complete the manual testing next 25 to 30 days. But what I'm expecting from you, first, every day after class, what we discuss, please practice once. And Don't miss even one class from the manual. Don't miss one class from the manual. Don't miss one class from the manual. Okay, so every class very important. Yes, every class is very important. If you miss, again you're not able to understand, so please don't miss the classes. And the main thing is, guys, don't stop with only the manual. Automation also important. You can go with the automation. Got it my point? If you're looking for any recording something, you can contact your management. They will help you recording that. Yes, you can contact the management. They will help you recording that. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. And every day after class, I'll wait for few minutes to clarify your doubts. Yes, every day after class, I'll wait few minutes to clarify your doubts. And guys, one thing, this free classes link, you can share to your friends. You can share to some other groups. It will be more helpful for some other people, because outside the market people, they're charging 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 only for manual testing. But we are not charging even 1 rupee for manual testing. So you can gain the knowledge. You can share this link to your friends or your college groups or your working groups or some way other way. It will be more helpful for some other people to learn this course. Now if you have any doubts, and every day, guys, one thing, so many people they're asking, what about the notes? Everyone, what about the notes? Notes after 1 week. Yes, after 1 week, who are attending regularly sessions, I can give the notes to those people only. I don't want to share to everyone, because that's my hard work of the notes. Who are with very interested, who are attending regularly, I can provide the notes to those students only. Understand my point? So if you're looking for course complete certificate, once please contact your management. Yes, so course complete certificate, maybe they can provide. You can contact your management regarding that. But who are attending regularly up to 25 to 30 days of class, those students only will get certificate or something else. Got it my point? So now everyone, this is time to clear your doubts. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, guys. I'll clarify your doubts. Now if you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll clarify your doubts. Everyone, guys, how to write test cases, I will show that. Soumya, definitely anyone, graduation is important. Yes, white box, black box testing, I'll explain in next classes, no worry. Off zone manual testing also openings are there, but very less. Better to add automation testing also. Selenium with Java is the best. I'll explain. Yes, Sagar, BSc students also eligible. Please ask me your doubts. Yes, Norman, become BSc, any graduation, it's enough. There is no particular one. Surely, there is very rare. Selenium with Java is the best. Yes, Sheikh Mohammed. Yes, any financial background also eligible to do that. Minimum graduation is important. Apparently, for automation, very basic core Java important. That is, I'll explain. No worry. Suhali, mock interviews every weekly once. Yes, no, Numan. If you have career gap 6 years, also you're eligible. I'll help you for that to keep experience and everything. I'll help you for that. Yes, Rakesh. Yes, Neha. I'll help you for that. Yes, MSc candidates also can try for that. Placement, I'll refer you, but technically should be perfect. Yes, Silas, but better to add automation, Silas. Only with manual, it will be difficult to get the job. Yes, Sheikh Mohammed, you can do it. Yes, MB also can do it that. No problem, Magadevi, I'll help you for that. Sweetie, mock interview, no need to book anything, sweetie. I'll inform you before one day. Just for few hours, I'll take the mock interview. Okay. Yes, Silesh, become also you can do it. You know, my qualification also become MBA few years of back. But now I'm working as a test consultant. That is not a worry. Automation class duration 45 days. Yes, Afroj, age is not an issue here. Yes, Vaishali. If you have laptop, that's better to practice. Anant, but that there is no market for a PM now, Anant. Yes, automation testing also I'll teach. Yes, if you have gap also you can do it. Coding knowledge not required. Coding knowledge not required. Guys, please give me your feedback in chat box. How is it my classes? Whether you're able to understand or not. Yes, please give me your feedback in chat box. Depending on that, I can understand. How is it my teaching? Minimum degree is important, Pawan Reddy. Yes, Silesh, you can do it. It's enough, Sai Datta. For the fees, you can contact the management. No, Mahesh. No need any programming language. Jahan, automation, very basic coding is there. It's. I'll explain that. Very easy. Okay, Lipika, I'll change that. Nanabo, Sadish, tomorrow you can understand for that. Guys, notes, everyday notes you can get, but after the 1 week, okay? Yes. Yes. Chrome you can use, not issue. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Yes, Santanu, you definitely can. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we can continue. Every day, same time, same link, never change. So you can continue with the same link and the same time. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day to all. Yes.